Have you ever watched a K-drama, felt the emotion in a scene, but had no idea what they were actually saying?
Maybe you've picked up phrases like 사랑해 or 괜찮아, but wish you knew exactly when and how to use them like a native speaker. Today, we're diving into one of the most emotional and beautifully written Korean dramas out there, Queen of Tears. And I'm going to show you 12 must-know Korean phrases that you can actually use in real life. By the end of this video, you won't just understand the scenes better. You will be able to speak like the characters too. Why Queen of Tears is perfect for learning Korean phrases. So, why did we choose Queen of Tears for this breakdown? Well, it's not just the acting or the plot that makes it amazing, it's how real and emotional the language is. Queen of Tears isn't just famous for its storytelling, it is full of everyday Korean expressions tied to love, pain, humor, and hope. These aren't textbook phrases. They are the ones that make you feel something and help you speak naturally. In this video, we'll break down 12 essential drama phrases, bonus iconic lines fans couldn't stop quoting, how to practice this so they stick, and real tips to sound more like a native speaker even if you're just starting Korean. 12 essential Korean drama phrases from Queen of Tears. Let's start with the heart of this lesson. 12 powerful phrases straight from Queen of Tears that you can use in real life. Listen closely and see how many of these you've heard before. 좋아해요. I like you. One of the most essential ways to confess your feelings. It's soft, romantic, and polite. Perfect for beginners. 같이 가줄래? Will you come with me? A gentle way to ask someone to stay by your side. It shows closeness and trust. 너 미쳤어? Are you crazy? A super common Korean reaction phrase used in many dramas. Depending on your tone, it can be playful, shocked, or serious. 다 괜찮아. Everything is okay. Use this to comfort someone. It's a warm, simple way to say don't worry in Korean. You will also hear 괜찮아? Are you okay? When checking in on someone. 널 잃고 싶지 않아. I don't want to lose you. Romantic and emotionally vulnerable. A great example of the pattern verb plus 고 싶지 않아. 왜 여기 있어? Why are you here? This question can express suspicion, confusion, or emotion depending on context. 미안해, 잘못했어. I'm sorry, it was my fault. A sincere way to apologize, often used when admitting you did something wrong. 기억이 하나도 안 나. I don't remember anything. Used when you completely forgot something. Sounds natural in Korean. 약속이야. It's a promise. Very common in friendly or emotional situations. You can use this when sealing an agreement. 네 맘대로 해. Do whatever you want. This can be genuine or passive-aggressive, depending on how it's said. A great example of natural, layered language. 나중에 후회하지 마. Don't regret it later. This is a negative command with a future expression, very useful in serious or emotional conversations. 사랑해, 홍혜인. I love you, 홍혜인. Using someone's full name as intensity and sincerity. It's a classic K-drama style confession. 5 iconic Queen of Tears lines. Those were the everyday phrases, so now let's get into the lines that truly defined the show. These are the unforgettable moments that made fans cry, swoon, and hit replay. 완벽하지 않아도 그래도 괜찮다면 나랑 결혼해 줄래? If you're okay with not being perfect, will you marry me? A proposal full of honesty, vulnerability, and love. One of the drama's most iconic moments. 너무 무서웠어. I was really scared. Shows raw vulnerability, especially powerful coming from a strong character. 다음에 또 이런 일 생기면 나 살리지 마. If this happens again, Don't Save Me. One of the most heart-wrenching lines in the series, full of pain and resignation. 사랑해. 처음 봤을 때부터 지금까지 사랑했어. I love you. I've loved you from the moment I saw you until now.
An unforgettable full confession from Hain during one of the most emotionally charged scenes.
난 100번 다시 태어나도 100번 다 당신이랑 만나고 싶은데. Even if I'm born again 100 times, I will meet you every time. The ultimate faith-driven love line, iconic and unforgettable. How to practice these phrases? Now that you've got the phrases, the next step is making them stick. Here's how to practice these Korean drama expressions so they become part of your real Korean vocabulary. First, listen carefully to the original scene. Replay the moment and pay attention to the emotion, rhythm, and delivery. Second, repeat the line out loud. Mimic the actor's tone and facial expression. Shadowing helps you sound more natural. Third, record yourself. Listen back and compare it to the original. Progress comes from noticing small differences. Fourth, make flashcards. Include the Korean phrase, romanization, English meaning, and scene reference. Use tools like Anki or Quizlet. Fifth, use the phrases in real conversation. Try them out with friends or language partners. Even casual use builds confidence. Sixth, watch with Korean subtitles. It helps you match spoken and written Korean and see grammar patterns in action. 7. Make it emotional. Choose scenes that moved you. When a praise makes you feel something, it's easier to remember. What to do next? If you're excited to keep learning Korean and want a step-by-step way to build on these phrases, we've got something for you. We've got a full lesson breakdown of these phrases, plus more, at 90daykorean.com. You can also download a free PDF guide of all these expressions at the link below. If you're ready to take your Korean to the next level, check out our structured membership program. We help you speak real Korean in just 90 days. No fluff, no boring drills. Hit like if you learned something new, and subscribe for weekly Korean tips, K-drama breakdowns, and language strategies. Learning Korean doesn't have to feel like a chore. It can be something you look forward to. K-dramas aren't just entertainment. They are one of the best tools you can use to connect emotionally with the Korean language. Don't stress about being perfect. Focus on connecting with the language, practicing a little every day, and enjoying the process. Which phrase hit you the hardest or made you want to try speaking Korean? Let me know in the comments. And if there's another K-drama you want us to break down next, drop it too. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next lesson. Bye bye!